the winery, always fun. You know, and this mountain air really kind of piques the appetite. But often we're in a hurry because we're actually working up here, as you are at home when you're trying to make dinner on a weeknight. So this is my easy way to spice up these beautiful Vicolo pizzas, which they're good on their own. But just to add a little touch of something else to the, got a mushroom, quattro formaggio, and Italian sausage. But I'm sauteing a red onion and some chili peppers, a little bit of salt and cumin powder. And then I'll sprinkle those on the pizza, bake those, just give these a real quick saute to take the rawness off. Just that little thing adds a lot to the pizza. And then maybe a little cilantro or parsley garnish. And of course, with now being winter, being cold outside, hot food, always good. And a glass of Syrah, a glass of Merlot, hearty red Keenan wine, perfect wintertime fare.
Chili powder on this too. Pretty color. A little radicchio on here. Radish sprouts, radishes, bell peppers. 3 different lettuces. I think that's ready for taste. Alright, here, ready to serve.
You all know I love Merlot, and it's also the most versatile food wine we make. And we have a special on it right now by the half case and case. $30 so for Wine Club members. Fantastic value. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's just afternoon. Perfect.